Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has lost 0.3% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is diminishing and is currently negative. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI shifted sharply into the neutral area. The sterling-dollar pair has added 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator shifted into the overbought area. The Aussie dollar pair has added 0.3% in the last session. The MACD moved sharply into the positive area.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
U.S. equity futures drifted lower while European stocks were steady as investors looked for fresh catalysts to push shares beyond record highs. Purpose Investments, Evolve ETFs, and CI Global Asset Management were all approved by Canadian regulators to launch Ethereum-backed ETFs, which will be the first ETH ETFs in North America. BMW said that earnings before tax in the first quarter rose a preliminary 370%, citing strong sales growth in all regions and especially China.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The UK's claimant count change will be released at 600 GMT, Japan's tertiary industry index at 430 GMT, the UK's ILO unemployment rate at 600 GMT. Germany's producer price index will be released at 600 GMT, the US Redbook index at 1255 GMT, the US 52-week bill auction at 1530 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.